Hello everyone, so today very quick tutorial. I will show you how to change your backdrop from this to this. So without further ado, let's get started. I have my photo already edited. So first thing we have to do is to download our pattern. So I'm using this page, but you can use wherever page you like. You can use Adobe Stock, you can buy your pattern on Etsy. When I'm looking for that kind of pattern, I looking for watercolor flowers, but it's really up to you. You can see I have plenty of them here. Very important thing is that your pattern must have a transparent background. This will help a lot. So I already download few. I will drag this pattern now over my photo. And I will play with this for a few seconds. I will probably use distort or perspective, but this time I use distort. So just few seconds really, and I will adjust my pattern to make it looks realistic. I will just copy a layer with baby now. And now we have to change blending mode for our pattern. So I found out that mostly with lighter backdrop and darker pattern, multiply and darken looks really well. So I will use multiply today. Alright, I will change opacity for 75%. And now we have to mask and remove our pattern from the baby around head and feet. So I will use the quick selection and select our subject. This is the easiest and the fastest way, I think. Just remember we have to be on baby layer, so layer where our baby is. Okay, and now we have our baby selected. We have to inverse this to have our pattern selected. We're clicking on our layer with pattern and click on mask button. And Photoshop did really good job already. You may do some quick adjustment, probably around baby head. So I will use white soft brush and paint around baby head. And around baby feet. And now you can see that we have our feet blurred and backdrop, and our pattern is in focus. So we have to blur a little bit backdrop there. So we're clicking on our pattern, blur, Gaussian blur, and I think this looks alright. Yeah, I think this looks alright. And now we're clicking on our mask with blur, and we have to paint black over pattern where we want it to be in focus again. So click on this mask, take black soft brush and paint. We have our baby eyes, baby face in focus, so everything close to baby head will be in focus, and everything behind baby and around baby feet will be blurred. So just paint around baby to make it look realistic. Okay, I will flatten this image. And our photo is ready. So if you like it, please do leave thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully see you soon. Bye!